The popularity of food-related content on YouTube can be attributed to a combination of factors, making it a captivating and diverse genre. Here's a detailed look at why food topics thrive on YouTube. Visual appeal. Food is inherently visually appealing. It's colorful, varied, and often presented in an artistic and mouth-watering manner. YouTube's video format allows content creators to showcase food in all its glory, making viewers instantly hungry and intrigued. Cultural exploration. Food is a universal language, and YouTube allows people to explore cuisines and cooking techniques from around the world. Viewers can virtually travel to different countries through their screens and learn about diverse culinary traditions. Cooking tutorials. YouTube is a treasure trove of cooking tutorials and recipes. Many people turn to YouTube to learn how to cook or bake specific dishes. The visual step-by-step guidance provided in videos is often more accessible and practical than written recipes. Food trends and challenges. YouTube is quick to catch on to food trends and challenges. Whether it's the spicy noodle challenge, food truck tours, or the latest viral dessert, creators on YouTube are at the forefront of these trends, fueling excitement and engagement. Food reviews and critiques. Food critics and reviewers have found a significant platform on YouTube. They visit restaurants, taste dishes, and offer their honest opinions. This helps viewers make informed choices about where to dine or what products to buy. Food and lifestyle. Food is not just about eating, it's often intertwined with lifestyle choices. YouTube creators often showcase their daily lives, including what they eat, where they shop, and how they maintain a healthy diet. This makes food a part of a broader lifestyle narrative. Community and interaction. Food content often fosters strong communities of viewers who share a passion for cooking or trying new foods. Monetization. Creators in the food category have found ways to monetize their content through ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and even their own cookbooks or product lines. This financial incentive encourages more creators to enter the space. Searchable content. Food videos are easily discoverable through YouTube's search engine. Viewers can quickly find recipes or cooking tips for specific dishes, which makes food content highly accessible. In conclusion, the popularity of the food category on YouTube is driven by its visual appeal. Broad audience appeal, instructional nature, entertainment value, and the platform's ability to foster community and monetization. Please like and subscribe for more videos.